I'll just make it quick, guys. I'm just making this a quick video because you know why? There will be a blackout tomorrow, so this is why I'll make this a quick video. I'll make this quick. I will just get an elytra, and I use chunk base. So I'll just go back to the end. So guys, I get this from chunk base because I am just making this a really quick video because of course I'm gonna place this first. You know, yeah, probably there. I'll just go make this a quick video. Dang it. I'm dying because I'll just go back next since I'm about to die. And plus, I'm just doing this because of course there's a blackout tomorrow, so I will just do this. Basic. Bobo. Oh, ay caramba, I just realized that. I'll just look for the portal. So update guys, I just found the I set it to peaceful focus. Of course, it's gonna be hard, and I'll just do it like this. I'm just gonna get this done in the pro. I need this. Wait, now, now I have. Now I finally got something important. Now I should loot the chest. And first, I actually thought there was gold. I could. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's actually better. Yep. Give me the potions. This was actually a few hundred blocks. So I might as well get the. I am getting this because I need this for something. It's not anything to do with stuff. Of course, I have to get the head since I ain't making the same mistake since last time. I ain't making. I ain't making the last same mistake that I made. Now look. Row. Now I can go. So bye guys. So this is just a short vid. It's a short vid because having hey. I'll just go back. So I did get my stuff back. So now I will just go back. So bye guys and thank you for watching. And I'll just